Hello everyone, here I am, back again. Classic, simple, and oh so pretty. Good to be back, good to see you, good to talk to you. And I guess not good to see you because I can't see you, but you can see me, and that is what is important. Today, if you look at me, I am glammed. I have on these new Moxie lashes. MoxieLashes. Remember I talked about the Luxilia ones that came from Amazon last time. They were pretty good and I got comfortable in them, but they just, I don't know, they felt cheap. I have to say it, they felt cheap. Not that I know what cheap eyelashes feel like, but they just felt, you know. So I promised to give the MoxieLash. I didn't want to pay the Moxie price. They had a little sale, so I ordered them. And you got, let me show you what came in. Three sizes. I have on the full ones on the bottom, and when I tell you I put some, all I gotta say is I don't know how people do this every day. I'm getting used to them now like I did with the other ones, because at first I was like, this has got to come off. Who washed this? And it does. It takes a minute, and I don't know anything about putting this stupid eyeliner on, because I do my old Wayne Goss trick for eyeliner. Lady, if you ever want to know how to really make your eyes look really great without trying to draw a line, check out Wayne Goss. Wayne Goss is like the guru to applying makeup, and he's a nice guy, and he's handsome. And he shows you how to take your black eyeshadow and put it close to your lashes. And when I do my waterline and do the black eyeshadow, put the mascara on, to me I feel like I got some lashes on. But today, you know, I'm glammed up. It's all about the pearls. Have my over pearled. I have my pearl earrings, my pearl bracelets, and this beautiful pearl necklace that was made by a very dear friend of mine, Miss Shirley Willis, and I love it. It's simple, and I had these earrings. So, and my hair, it's turning gray. It's wash and wear. So this is the best I could do. You know, I just spray water on it, twist it like in a French roll, and put it up for you. So it's, you know, it's simpler than blow drying and flat ironing, and then I can just, some days go by, it'll stay up like this and I won't even comb it. I just, you know. But anyway, came here to talk about the MoxieLashes. At first I was thinking I don't want to give them a thumbs up, but I can't fault MoxieLashes for my ineptness. I just am not good at eyelining, and this stuff was going everywhere and sticking to my eyelash. But I think over time I will master it. I still feel like, should I say it, Halloween. I feel like I'm dressed for some costume thing. But maybe that's because I don't wear lashes every day. And people do. I've seen a lot of wrong lashes every day. But I think for special occasion or a photo op and you want to look really glamorous, MoxieLash it is. And this kit, it was expensive, but it came with, you know, like I said, you get the little tweezers, you get the liner, you get 3 sets of lashes, and I probably need to try some of those, but when I can get that liner on good, I'll do better. And it came with this box of Q-tips for removing the liner. So I thought that was great. Though it does come off, the other came off really easy with the eye makeup remover. The liquid kind is kind of oily. Wipe right out. Because if you had seen my fingers trying to put this on, I'm trying to rub, and I had black liner everywhere. Just everywhere. So we'll do a thumbs up to Moxie for those who are good at it, and I'm going to get good at it. So, you know, holidays, special occasions, when COVID breaks and you're going out again, great. Oh, my nails. I have to mention my nails. They're blue. It's a olive and June color. Pretty, huh? It's my first dark color I put on for the season. And so, you know, haven't done my chocolate brown, haven't done a red yet, but I thought this blue was fun. Anyway, also on my lips, luscious, luscious lips. It's a great little buy I found. I don't know if I got it at Nordstrom's or I think Nordstrom's. It's the MAC Powder Kiss. If you haven't tried the Powder Kiss lipsticks by MAC, they're great. They're kind of a matte color, but oh, powdery is what they are. And this little box is 40 bucks. You get 3 of them, and where they're 26 each, you know, separate, so that's a pretty good deal. And I have on, you know I'm going to have to get the glasses for this. Sorry, 68 years old, that's how it goes. I have on, there's like a pink color called Shocking Revelation. I have to show it to you. That's the one I have on now, Shocking Revelation. It's kind of a rosy pink. There I go with my hand, huh? I'll show you that. The rosy pink. Okay. And this one is called Mull It Over. I think this one is kind of like the nude that's in there. And you know usually I can't do nudes. But this one, there you go. This one I can somewhat do. It's kind of a pink undertone. So that kind of helps with the nude. And this one is called Work, 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 and that's W-E-R-K, Work, Work, Work. Who comes up with these names? But you gotta love it, huh? This one is more like your true red, your blue red. So, oh my God, they just feel like powder. I mean, the name called powder. So there they all are, you know. More pink, more neutral, more red. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Gotta love those. And I mean, I've seen this at Ulta, on the Ulta site, and I got them from Nordstrom's, but I'm sure, you know, wherever they sell MAC, they probably have this, because it says it's a $40 value, a $57 value for $40, so that's pretty good. You can't go wrong with that, ladies. Now, I wanted to talk to you. My husband had a birthday last month, September, and there's this company called Technigadgets. TG. Isn't it cool how their logo is TG? And he loves shades. And speaking of shades, let me take this off. He loves shades, and he has some cool sunglasses. So I went on there and looked up and ordered him a couple of pairs. They're not real expensive. Right offhand, I can't remember what I paid for them, but it's a cool little case they came in. I don't think they were over $40 for a pair. But this pair is kind of a bronzy color frame. You know I'm not putting them on because me and ring lights don't get along. If I put them on, that stupid ring light's going to be there and I'll look like I'm from outer space. So not making that mistake. I made it in 2 or 3 videos. Not doing it anymore until I get another kind of light. I don't know. But anyway, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just beautiful. Good, good. I mean, they're wonderful. And he liked them. Now this other pair I got him, I love the boxes. I love the boxes. Came with this brown case. So it's not real leather, but it's a nice little case, you know. I thought these were so different. Look at them. They're like, they have these sides on them, you know, and they have this piece. Oh, you know, I'll put them on Instagram so you can see them up close. But I've seen these on their site where male and female wear them. You know, again, ladies, you know I'm not putting these glasses on because ring light, there it is. Ring light will like, look at there, out of space. This is so weird. But anyway, they're wonderful. They also sell watches. I didn't order him a watch yet. He has really nice watches. And but I did order him this. It's a bracelet. This is when it's packaged. And why do I have 2 of the same bracelet? This one's really nice. It has the cross on it. If you have a man who's into, you know, spiritual, and my husband, he's a Bible person. He's a good man. And anyway, I thought this with the cross on it would be great. Plus, this wedding band is, you know, silver-like. It's not white gold, but, you know, silver. But it would go so great. And the reason I have 2, this company has the best customer service. I mean, I can't say enough about how great their customer service, because it sent me an email and said that this was delivered, and I said no, it was not delivered. And so they said to let them know if it didn't come in a day, and so it still didn't come. So they said they'll send me another one. I said okay. And in the meantime, before they sent the other one, this one came from a whole another different, I don't know, something said FedEx, something came postal, and I let them know that I got it. You know, no need to send the other one, but they sent the other one anyway. So I let them know that I got two, that they need me to send it back, and they said no, I did not have to send it back. And I mean, as soon as I sent the email, I got a response. You know, sometimes you send stuff and you might hear from them and you might not. But good company called Technigadgets. Check it out. Be great. Anyway, I'm gonna try to put this top back on. How's pretty going for you, ladies? Hey, weather's changing, or has changed. By the time this airs, it will have changed and we'll be into the winter months. But I am wearing a top I ordered this summer from Ann Taylor. It is so fun. It's, you know, sheer, and I didn't get to wear it. And I have on a black skirt that I ordered from Brooks Brothers. And when I got it, I ordered an 8, or did I order a 10? I can't remember. I ordered some big size because sister girl was, you know, eating too much. And I got it, and I couldn't even get it past my thighs. I said, this has got to be missized. So, but I didn't want to send it back. I didn't want to fool. It was the beginning of the pandemic, and I wasn't going out anywhere or trying to do anything. So I just hung it up, you know. I have it on today. Zipped right up. I've been watching my diet and I need to exercise, but it's sit back a little bit. It's a cotton skirt. I wanted a black skirt for the summer, but anyway, if I could figure out how to do this, that'd be better. But anyway, ladies, gotta take care of your pretty. Gotta maintain us, because we are worth maintaining. And hey, let me fix my chair. I hope you like my videos. I have lots of other things I'm going to cover with you and have more fun. And please, if you like, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Look at me. You know this is new to me. Subscribe and like. Well, like is thumbs up, and subscribe. Push the subscribe button or the little icon on the screen. And I will enjoy doing more and talking with you. And let's maintain our inner strength. Let's maintain our outer beauty, skincare, bubble baths. I'm a bubble bath person. I don't know about you. A lot of people take showers. The only time I take a shower is I'm looking at my hand, because I'm like, I'm going to fool around and rub this. I always forget to bring me some tissues in here when I'm doing lips. But only time I take a shower is when I wash my hair, you know, because got to do that. But I love a bubble bath. I love all the salts and those ball bombs or whatever. But whatever it takes, ladies. And hey, get you some lashes. Look glamorous, you know. But remember, keep it classic, keep it simple, and always, always pretty. Talk to you again next time. Just want to say thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for encouraging me to do more, and thank you for being you. Stay with you. You're enough. Never forget that. Keep it pretty, ladies. And you know, I keep looking down because this is how I have to turn off my video. I have not learned the tricks and trades, so just to share that with you. Keep it classic, keep it simple, and always oh so pretty. Bye, ladies.